Exhibitors and the organizer of the Hanover Messe 2022, one of the world's leading trade fairs for the industrial technology sector, are strongly expecting further Sino-German cooperation against the backdrop of various uncertainties including industrial transformation and the COVID-19 pandemic. Jochen Koekler, chairman of the managing board of the Deutsche Messe AG, said he is looking forward to welcoming more exhibitors from China in the coming years.
I hope that this is only once in a lifetime experience, having only 100 exhibitors from China. We hope to have in the future again, yes, around 1,000 or more. That is important for such an international business.
Due primarily to the pandemic, around 100 Chinese exhibitors participated in the event this year. In 2019, the number of Chinese exhibitors exceeded 1,300.
But for now, it's okay. We have to find a strategy to avoid too much illnesses with Corona. We are optimistic to have again a global exchange because Germany would like to have international business, and here is a platform to begin this international business. And visitor sites the same. To be honest, no one knows how long the pandemic situation will give us restrictions. Like we have this in the moment. We hope that we are able to do next year in April again more international exhibition. So for us it's very important to have a huge audience from China here.
After a 2-year interval due to the pandemic, this year's Hanover Messe event, which opened on Monday and lasts until Thursday, has brought together some 2,500 exhibitors from about 60 countries and regions.